boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Ali Gatie here with a song called Perfect. So this one is a beautiful, beautiful song here from Ali Gatie, and it's very playable, 4 chords, and we have the same chord progression through the entire song, so that's great. We need to start with the capo here on the 1st fret, so let's go over the chords. So we'll start with D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is the B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings here. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord will be G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So the same chords over and over again, D, B minor, A, and G. Alright, so we will start here with the 2 chord progressions for just 1 down for each chord. So, very easy. B minor, A, G. And about at this tempo, so. That. All right, and that is the first verse. And then we have the first chorus here, baby, I know we're not perfect, so that's where we are in the lyrics. And for this one, we need to learn a strumming pattern. And still the same chords here, D, B minor, A, and G. So the strumming will be down, down, up, down. And a short break, then down, up, down, up. So we'll start with the first part here, down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. And there's a short break there, and then comes down, up, down, up. So. That is the full strumming pattern. So let's play it. Alright. And during this pause, you could kind of hit some extra notes if you wish. It's something going on in the background there, and it's just go by feel. So it's up to you if you just leave it out, or you can just hit some extra strings just gently like that in the background. So something like this. And so on. So yeah, that is basically the pattern here. So you will play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So I mean 2 chord progressions for this chord. So 1 on D, 1 on B minor, 1 on A, and 1 on G. And then you go over for another round. And that is the chorus. Then comes the 2nd verse, because heartbreak never leaves you. So the first chord progression round, you will start with just 1 down for each chord. So it will be in the same way as the first verse. Like that. A and G And for the second round, you will start the same strumming pattern that we just learned and continue. And that takes you to the second chorus. And that second chorus will be played in the same way as the first one. That means 2 chord progression rounds of continuous with the strumming pattern. So 2 rounds of strumming, and then it ends with an outro. That will be 2 rounds of just 1 down for each chord. Yeah, so that pretty much covers Ali Gatie's song called Perfect. So a very easy song to play and a beautiful song. So good luck with this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video if you do, and see you soon. And most of all, play tuned.